Hey everyone, and thanks for tuning back in. This video series is brought to you by A&O. A&O is a subsidiary of ARZ Services USA. Today we're going to be talking about odd-shaped residential plots. We've already discussed normal-shaped residential plots, but in case you missed that video, there's a link in the description below. The purpose of this video series is to help educate you on how to buy a plot, how to measure a plot, what the demarcation process looks like, and all the construction phases that you will go through when building on your plot. So if you are interested in learning about all of this stuff, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the little notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you know exactly when we release our new videos, and also give us a big thumbs up. So when talking about odd-shaped plots, there are a couple of shapes that you need to know how to find the area of. The most common are triangle and trapezoid. So if you know how to find the area of these couple of shapes, you'll be able to find the area of any odd-shaped plot, because it will either be that shape or a combination of the shapes that you will learn. So let's go ahead and learn how to find the area of a plot that is a triangular shape. The very first thing we need to do is define what the base and the height is of the triangle. So remember, the base is the longest length of the triangle, and the height is a perpendicular line that extends all the way from the base to the point opposite of the base. In this case, our base is 128 feet and our height is 70.32 feet. So let's go ahead and find the area of the triangle now. To find the area of the triangle, you need to use the formula 1/2 base times height. The base is denoted with B and the height is denoted with H. So go ahead and plug in 128 for base and 70.32 for the height. When you multiply 128 by 70.32, you get 9,000.96. What we're going to do now is we're going to take the half of 9,000.96, which is the same as dividing it by 2. Once we do that, we get an answer of 4,500.48. We're gonna go ahead and ignore the 0.48 for now and round it down to 4,500. 4,500 square feet divide by 225, remember 225 is 1 Marla, is equal to 20. Now we have 20 Marlas, which is 1 canal and 500 square yards. So now you know how to calculate the area of a triangle. Now let's go ahead and talk about how to find an area of a trapezoid. To find the area of a trapezoid, we need to define what the bases and the height of the trapezoid are. Keep in mind, there are 2 bases for a trapezoid. We're going to label that as base 1 and base 2. Both of these bases need to be parallel to each other, meaning they do not intersect at any point. Next, we will take the height. The height is the distance between the 2 parallel bases. Once we have that, we're going to go ahead and put in the area. The area of a trapezoid is B1 plus B2 divided by 2, and you multiply that by the height. So in this case, our base 1 is 70 feet, and our base 2 is 110 feet, and our height is 150 feet. We go ahead and plug in our numbers. For B1, we put in 70. For B2, we put in 110. Divide that by 2, and then you multiply that by H, which is 150. So our height is 150. Next, you're going to add 70 plus 110, and you get 180. Divided by 2, multiply that by 150. We get 90 multiplied by 150. The answer is 13,500 square feet. Let's divide that by 225, which is 1 Marla, and you get 60. So now we have 60 Marlas, which is equal to 3 Canal, which is equal to 1,500 square yards. And that's how you find the area of a trapezoid. So now that you have learned how to find the areas of a triangle and a trapezoid, let's go ahead and put this information together. Take a look at this plot, for example. This plot has a trapezoid and a triangle in it. So all we have to do is we have to find the area of the triangle and find the area of a trapezoid and add those 2 areas together to find the total area of this odd-shaped plot. Let's also take this example. This plot has a normal-shaped plot with an odd-shaped plot attached to it. So we can divide it into 2 different shapes, a rectangle and a triangle. Then we can find the area of those 2 individually and then add them together. Now that you have all this information about plots, In our next video, we are going to be sharing with you all sorts of construction from ground up. If you like this video and would like for us to make more videos like this, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the little notification bell so you will be alerted when we release new videos. Thanks for watching.